my YouTube channel IT Lab Solution. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is EXP2022 Excel Chapter 1 Culmative Assignment. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can hire or contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on this screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically it is the first chapter of EXP 2022. I first highlighted Excel chapter 1 Culmative assignment. This assignment consists of 26 steps. If you want to do this assignment, you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our first step. Our first step is we start Excel, download and open the file name EXP2022 Excel chapter 1 Culmative assignment training. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So we go on our Excel worksheet. So I have already downloaded the EXP2022 chapter 1 Culmative training. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is use find and replace to find teacher and replace it with education. So in this step we find teacher and replace it with education. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the find and replace, find what is teacher with education. Replace all. So I replace teacher by education. So our step number 2 is completed. Our step number 3 is check the spelling of the worksheet and correct the error. So in this step we check the spelling of the worksheet and correct the error. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the review tab, here is spelling checker. So we check all the spelling and change all. So our spelling error was gone. So our step number 3 is completed. So our step number 4 is delete the row containing the charting basis workshop. So in this step we delete the row that containing the charting basis workshop. So we go on our Excel worksheet and delete the row charting basic workshop. So we delete it. We delete the row. So our step number 4 is completed. So our step number 5 is insert a new row between big data foundation and data mining row. Copy row 5 and paste in on the empty row. Change the date to June 7 2024 in the range C7 to D7. Enter 11 in cell G7 and 10 in H7. So in this step we insert a new row between big data foundation and data mining row. So we go on our Excel worksheet and insert new column here. We insert column between big data foundation and data mining. So it is also saying that copy row 5 and paste into empty row. So we copy first 5 row, we copy it and paste into empty row. And it is also saying that change the date to, so we first copy it and change the date to C7 to D7. So we select first C7 to D7 and here we put date and here we copy the date. So step number, and it is also saying that enter 11 in cell G7 and 10 in H7. So enter 11 in G7 is here, enter 11 and enter 10. So our step number 5 is completed. So we go on our step number 6. Our step number 6 is type 06.001 in A5, use output to complete the range A6 to A10. So in this step we type 06.001 in A5. So we go on our Excel worksheet. First we copy it. First. So we first copy it and paste into A5. A5 is here, so we paste it and copy down. So step number 6 is completed. So basically this assignment consists of 26 steps. I have done 6 steps of this assignment. So our step number 7 is format the date in the range C5 to D10 with short data format. So in this step we change the format of dates in cell C5 to D10. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in cell C5 to D10 change format cell and put this one. So our step number 7 is completed. So our step number 8 is insert a column to the right of the end date, time, date column, type, number of days in cell E4. So in this step we insert a column to the right of the end date column. So we first copy it and we go on our Excel worksheet and insert new column. So here we insert new column to the right of the end date. So we insert column E and in cell E4 we paste number of days. So our step number 8 is completed. Our step number 9 is merge and center this cell H3 and I3, merge and center the range J3 to L3. So in this step we merge and center these many cells. So we go on our Excel worksheet, H3 to I3 we merge and center in the home tab. There is merge and center and J to L, there is merge and center. So our step number 9 is completed. So our step number 10 is for the range A4 to L4 apply the good cell style, wrap text and center horizontally. So in this step we apply good cell style, wrap text and center horizontally. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select A4 to L4 and in the cell style apply good wrap text and center horizontally. So our step number 10 is completed. Our step number 11 is in cell E5 enter a formula to calculate the number of days for the first workshop. Add 1 to the result to include the total number of days including the start and end date. The result may display in data format. Copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. So in this step we enter a formula to calculate the number of days in cell E5. So we go on our Excel worksheet. In cell E5 we enter a formula end date separated by start date, and it is also saying that add 1. So and copy the formula down. So our step number 11 is completed. So our step number 12 is apply the number format with 0 decimal places and center the result horizontally in the range E5 to E10. So in this step we apply number format with 0 decimal places and center horizontally result in the range E5 to E10. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select the range E5 to E10, number format, counting number 0 decimal places and center horizontally. We first hold it and center horizontally. So our step number 12 is completed. So basically this assignment consists of 26 steps. I have done 12 steps of this assignment. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching my video.